Espresso. Espresso is a small concentrated shot of coffee made by forcing hot water through very finely ground coffee beans under high pressure. It originated in Italy in the early 20th century as a faster way to brew coffee for busy cafes. The result is a strong, bold drink with a layer of golden foam on top called crema. Espresso forms the base for many other coffee drinks, and its intense flavor comes from the quick but powerful extraction process. Americano. An Americano is made by adding hot water to a shot of espresso. The drink became popular during World War II when American soldiers in Europe wanted something closer to the milder coffee they were used to back home. By diluting espresso with water, the flavor became smoother and less concentrated while still keeping the rich aroma of espresso. Latte. A latte combines espresso with a large amount of steamed milk and a thin layer of milk foam on top. The word comes from the Italian phrase caffè latte, which simply means coffee with milk. Because the milk softens the intensity of espresso, a latte tastes smooth, creamy, and slightly sweet. It is one of the most common coffee drinks served in cafes around the world. Cappuccino. Cappuccino is made with equal parts espresso, steamed milk, and thick milk foam. The drink is known for its balanced texture, where the foam creates a light and airy top while the milks blend smoothly with the espresso underneath. The name is believed to come from the brown color of the robes worn by Capuchin monks in Italy, which resembles the drink's rich tone. Macchiato. Macchiato means stained or marked in Italian. In this drink, a shot of espresso is lightly topped with a small amount of milk or milk foam. The idea is that the espresso is only marked by the milk rather than mixed heavily with it. The result is a bold drink that still carries a touch of creaminess without losing the strong espresso character. Cortado. Cortado is a Spanish coffee drink made from equal parts espresso and warm milk. The milk is gently steamed but not very foamy, allowing it to blend smoothly with the coffee. The purpose of the milk is to cut the acidity of the espresso without overpowering its flavor. Because of this balance, the Cortado is known for its clean and straightforward taste. Ristretto. Ristretto is a shorter and more concentrated version of an espresso shot. It uses the same amount of coffee grounds but less water during extraction. This creates a smaller drink with a deeper, slightly sweeter flavor and less bitterness. Coffee lovers often prefer Ristretto when they want the most intense expression of espresso. Lungo. Lungo is essentially the opposite of Ristretto. More water is passed through the coffee grounds, which produces a longer shot. The flavor becomes lighter but also slightly more bitter because more compounds are extracted from the beans. The name Lungo simply means long in Italian, referring to the extended brewing time. Cold brew. Cold brew coffee is made by steeping coarse coffee grounds in cold water for many hours, often overnight. Instead of heat, time is used to extract the flavor. The result is a smooth, mellow coffee that tends to be less acidic than traditional hot brew coffee. Cold brew is usually served chilled and sometimes diluted with water or milk. Iced coffee. Iced coffee is brewed using hot water like regular coffee, but then cooled and served over ice. Because it starts as a hot brew, the flavor profile remains similar to traditional coffee, so it may taste slightly diluted as the ice melts. Iced coffee has become especially popular in warm climates where people still want the taste of coffee, but in a refreshing form. Affogato. Affogato is a simple combination of hot espresso poured over a scoop of vanilla ice cream or gelato. The hot coffee melts the ice cream slightly, creating a mix of creamy sweetness and strong coffee flavor. Although it appears in cafes, affogato is often considered both as a dessert and a coffee drink at the same time.